Hey, good morning, everybody. Another in the shop segment here on the Under the Hood radio show. It is a beautiful day out here in the country. We're in the country, but we're not too far from the city either. We're going to check out this Ford. Came in this morning for a misfire diagnosis. Let's see what we got here. All right, this is a 09 F150 with that annoying doorbell dinger. What do we have here? Oh, so we've got cylinder 2, injector A, circuit open, ignition coil G, primary circuit open. Now when I had this thing running, just pulled it back here, it's got a misfire to it, 139,000 miles, and I was thinking, got to be cam phasers, got to be an issue with the engine because it's got a little knock to it, a little rattle, but that could be because of the misfire. What I'm thinking that is, if you called our radio show and said I got a misfire and I got a cylinder 2 injector A, circuit open, not a misfire. Ignition coil G, primary control circuit open, I'm betting on a mouse. Mickey's been in there chewing his way through there. Either that or somebody's been working on this already and they've unplugged those and left them unplugged. So here's the lesson for today. There's a lot of Ford people out there working on cars and they're not sure about this. Cylinder 2, pretty clear, right? But ignition coil G, primary circuit open. What is ignition coil G? A, B, C, D, 4, E, F, G, 5, 6, 7. Are you following along there? Letters of the alphabet, 1 through 8 or 10, depending on the vehicle. That's your cylinder correlation. So G would be 7. So let's start off with number 2. On a Ford, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Passenger side, driver side, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we had cylinder 2 injector. What are we looking at? What are we looking at here? 1 and 2. Oh, look at that. Somebody's been hungry, or somebody sabotaged it. I'm guessing somebody was hungry. Let's go over here to G. Looks like we said was 7. 7. Oh, hey. Looky there. Number 7. Coil. Again. Looks like what the rabbit does to my wife's flowers. Chewed her right off. So, in this case, this guy's pretty lucky. We should be able to repair those 2 sets of wires and have this truck back on the road again fairly affordably. So that's our In the Shop segment for today at the Under the Hood Show. Take care, everybody. We'll see you again on the Under the Hood Show.